morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on Bitcoin USD, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.8% against the dollar. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. Google stock rose 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Gold prices edged up ahead of a US inflation report that could give fresh perspective on the timing of the Federal Reserve's first rate cut. Spot gold was up 0.2% after briefly slipping to a more than 2-week low on Monday. Japanese shares touched a 34-year peak on Tuesday, while the dollar held steady, keeping the yen perilously close to 150 per dollar level ahead of a key US inflation report that could help shape the Federal Reserve's rates outlook. Ripple struck a deal to acquire Standard Custody and Trust Company in order to secure a New York trust charter in an ongoing expansion of its US regulatory licensing. This latest acquisition follows a deal last year in which Ripple bought another cryptocurrency custody firm, MetaTrader.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 15:30 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1200 hours GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's core consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.